Hey guys, so we just had the first reading. So that was a little bit different where you got to read it on your own and possibly you listen to the audio recording. So we know that Odysseus is tied up and his men will find a way to avoid listening to the Song of the Sirens. So we read and we continue reading to find out what happens. You should have really looked at what happens as the ship sails past the sirens. So we know that the men put wax in their ears and Odysseus begs for them to let him go, but they don't. Finally, they pass the sirens and the men take out the wax and let go of Odysseus. So we know that this is how they avoid hearing about the sirens. Oh, I wish we were in the classroom so I could tell you about this face to face. We know that he scowls at his men and he's super angry, and that's something that really sticks out to me. And then he kind of signals for his men to do something else. We're going to reread the passage again. This time, I'm going to give you certain parts to focus on. So this is going to look similar to how we used to annotate. It's not just annotation, though. To get credit on these stopping points, I really need you to follow the directions. So first, you're going to find a line that explains the setting of Odysseus and his men near the sirens. And then you're going to look for how the author creates a mood by describing the atmosphere. So when the author uses certain words to create a mood, we say that the poet is intentionally using dictation. So if you're looking for specific ways or the best way to describe this dictation, you're going to look for like words that are calming and soothing and tranquil. So I really am going to encourage you to go back through, find that line. And then we're going to look at one more thing before you're done for today. You're going to look back through and see, it won't look separate as a CFU. It'll look like an annotation, but that is your main work for today, if that makes sense. Later on, the sirens speak. Which lines from their words best emphasize the dangerous allure of their songs? So again, you're going to look for the line and then again, look for really great like vocabulary or what dictation the author uses to illustrate that use of the calming, soothing dictation. So what words are powerful? What words can you find to help you? So you're going to have 2 slides next. Hopefully it all fits on 2 slides. I might be lying, but it's going to be the same as the PDF. I'm just going to take a part of it, and you're going to now answer just scanning these lines. So, and then looking for really great vocab that shows calming, soothing, tranquil dictation. So look for any of those words in the atmosphere as you reread for the second time. And then you're on your exit ticket because we need to be able to answer that the poet is using this language intentionally. Remember? So we're looking at author's craft. We're seeing the stressing or what the author signifies to us is the most important part of his craft move. And there are a lot of things that really stick out to me, like how it gets calm, and later the poet quotes some things that the sirens did. So look for that dictation, and I can't wait to read your annotations. This is like the most powerful part of this lesson. Sure, you guys can do an exit ticket. You can get it. You've done that work since you had Miss Davis as a teacher this year. But your annotations are what I'm focusing on right now. So really to earn that 4 today, you need to have full annotations. You got this.